In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily backup iPhone messages. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then tap at your name right here at the very top. After that, tap at iCloud and then tap at Show All just under the apps using iCloud section to expand it, and that's where you can easily find messages. Just get into it, and all we have to do now in order to backup iPhone messages is just to turn on the feature which is called Sync This iPhone. And when you enable messages syncing, they will be automatically saved in your iCloud, and you can be sure that if you lose your iPhone or buy a new one, you won't lose your messages. All you need to do is just sign into your Apple ID, and then your messages and all your other data from that list will be synced with your current device. That's how you can easily backup iPhone messages, and now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.